Everyone, yes, I look burnt. I went to the beach yesterday with Isabel, her godfather, and John. Look at this. Like, I'm in so much pain. Like, my shoulders and the top portion of my back hurts so bad. It was, what, like 90 yesterday? It was just so bad. Like, so I did a video of like organizing my little makeup area, but I also was talking about, okay, go baby, go. I was also talking about me doing like the egg fasting diet, which is 3 days of just eating eggs. That's it. You can have up to minimum 6 eggs a day. You gotta have like a fat, which it can be mayonnaise, butter, oil. You can have some cheese. But I was talking about it that I was actually doing it the first day. I was on it. That was lunchtime. I already had breakfast, lunch, snack. But when I got to dinner, guys, like my mom was cooking, and I just felt so empty. I don't know if that triggered it, but I just felt so empty inside. I was drinking so much water to like get myself full, and that wasn't working. Um, and I couldn't do that. I couldn't do the egg thing. It's because it's pretty much almost like you're close the door, baby. Close the door. It's like you're starving your body. Close it. Don't slam it. Thank you. You don't have to lock it. In the bed. And it was like if I was like starving my body. No. Starving my body, and yeah, it wasn't nice. I was just so out of it. Like I was getting chills, and it was bad. So I don't know. I'll probably maybe stick to the keto. Right now it's kind of difficult to stick to it right at the moment because I have to go food shopping, and I'm gonna go food shopping next month. Um, I want to get vegetables, like frozen vegetables, like all that stuff, and I have some here, but I need to get more ingredients. With the keto diet, whole thing is, it's mainly like protein you need. You can have some fats, which are cheeses, like anything that's cheese and stuff like that. So I have cheese, but I would like to have like those cheese sticks because I like to snack on those before. But I need certain things. I need like little snacks, like ice cream or sweets that I could eat. Um, Instead of tending to like the snacks that we get Isabel. It's gonna be hard. My issue for me, and I know the issue, it's like all the soda and all the sweets. That is just sweets in general. That's my issue. Um, why I'm gaining so much weight. You know, I would eat cereal with Isabel like every night before going to bed, and that's not good. And that I know caused my gain weight as well, so I completely stopped that. But now it's hard for me for my sweets. I need to get something with sweets, that can kind of, help me with my cravings, but it's not so bad. So that's why the keto comes in. And I don't mind with the keto, and I did research. People were like, there's no way you can get hungry. That's the only diet that you cannot get hungry off of. Like Weight Watchers, Slim Fast, stuff like that. A lot of people say they always still starving. People say with the keto, there's no way because, you're still having fats, you're having lots of protein, and stuff, but there's a lot of stuff you have to stay away from. So I just want to do more research on that and like kind of make a list of things I could get, to make my life easier. So if anyone out there is on the keto diet, please let me know. Let me know what you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If you have any recipes, that would be amazing. What you eat for snack. Maybe you want that little craving. If you take any supplements, which that is like shakes, protein powders, pills, whatever. I know I saw like protein powders at CVS. I think it was like under $20. That's like a meal replacement, which is cool because sometimes I don't eat breakfast. I don't. So I can wake up and just have that and I'll feel full because it has a lot of protein. And then lunch and dinner I'll eat. But yeah, guys, let me know. I gotta clean. I already cleaned outside. I'm cleaning clothes at the same time. Like, guys, look at this room. Like, this room right here is like a hot mess. Like, a hot mess. We went to the beach. I have like clean clothes in the bag right there on the floor. I have the bag of like the towels from yesterday from the beach, the blanket, the clothes, the bathing suit. Like, I have to clean all of that. But first I want to clean our clothes that, I have in the hamper. Help. I'm probably thinking about doing like a clean with me video now. Just speed it up a little bit for you guys. I haven't done that, so that'll be cool. I'm so tired. Like, this thing is not cute, and I'm so itchy. So itchy. Like, if anyone out there know what to put, like, I have the aloe, and for the moment of you putting aloe on you, it feels good. It feels like it gets tight, it gets nice, but then after a while it wears off, and it's like this thing itches, it hurts. Okay, guys, so let's get started with the cleaning video.